So in this video, I'm going to start a brand new Shopify dropshipping business and attempt to take it from $0 to over $2,000 in just 1 week. And I'll be doing this live with you and revealing every single step, and at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how much money the business makes, hopefully over $2,000. And I thought I'd mention that basically I'm going to be showing you my exact dropshipping strategy right now. And I used this strategy for one of my dropshipping stores that made over $600,000, so you're definitely going to be learning a lot. And so basically how this works is, first thing I'm going to do is find a good product to sell. Then I'm going to find a supplier and create the online store. And then I'm going to create advertisements for the product. And what I'm going to be doing is literally just advertising the product for free on TikTok, so just posting videos to my account. And yes, this method does work really well. So what I want to do right now is actually find a good product to sell, and this product has to be in high demand, and it also has to be a product that I can create viral videos with. That way all the videos I post on TikTok have the potential to go viral. And overall, it just has to be a really cool product that a lot of people would want. And honestly, all I do to find viral products is go on TikTok and just search up TikTok made me buy it, and then I look through all those videos and I might come across something that could be a good product to sell. I also search up Amazon finds and dropshippers exposed, so once I do that, I look through all the videos and potentially find something. And honestly, I find most of my products doing this, and it's completely free. And I also do occasionally post viral products on my Instagram story, so you can follow me on there if you want to keep up with that. So anyways, I'm gonna go search on TikTok now and try to find something, and once I do, I'll come back and update you. Okay, so it only took me about 5 minutes to find this product, and it's basically a sunset lamp. I've actually seen this product before a lot of times, but I never actually thought about selling it. But I definitely do think it's a winning product, especially because there's a lot of other stores selling this product right now. There's this one dropshipping store on TikTok called The Soul Sunset, and I just noticed them now, and they're doing really well. And since they're able to sell the product successfully, I'm sure that I can do the same. Okay, so now that I have my product, I actually have to find a supplier that I can get the product from. And I use a ton of different suppliers, but this time I'm going to be using Spocket since they are one of my favorites. And the main reason I'm going to use them is because you can actually get a pretty decent price, you get high quality products, and you're going to get fast shipping times, which is really important. And they also have tons of different winning products to pick from. Okay, so anyways, I did find the sunset lamp on Spocket. It's going to be $13 and it ships between 7 to 10 days, which is ideal. And I decided I'm going to sell a product on my store for $39.99 since a lot of other stores are selling it for that price. So now I just have to add the product to my import list, then click on push to store, and that basically sends the product to my store so that I can start selling it. And if you also do need a good supplier for your dropshipping store, I'll leave a link for Spocket in the description of this video. Alright, so now that I have the product, next thing I'm going to do is actually start building the Shopify store. And I'm not going to go through how to do this, but I do have a separate tutorial on YouTube that you can check out if you want to build your own store. Now the store has to look like an actual real brand, because if it doesn't, then no one's gonna buy it. And so it usually takes me about 1 to 2 days to build the Shopify store. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and build it now, and I'll update you guys once I come back and it's done. Okay, so it's the second day now, and I finally finished the store, and honestly I think it looks pretty good. So I just want to go through what I did with you. So here I have the name of the product, which is a sunset lamp, and then here I have the option to pick a lamp color, and I put sunset, but there are some other colors as well, so I did want to include those. And I put the guaranteed safe and secure checkout since it does make my store look more legit. And I also did pick a couple of good high quality photos, and I think it does fit the aesthetic of the product. And here I have a section that says get to know the sunset lamp, and this just basically explains exactly what the sunset lamp is. And here I have the 30-day customer guarantee, which means that if the customer buys the product and they don't like it, they can return it within 30 days. This is really important because a lot of customers won't buy the product if they can't do this. Then here I have what's in the box, so I basically just explained what's going to come in the package. And next we have the customer reviews, which is really important. And basically having any kind of social proof on your store is so important. If you don't have social proof, it's very likely that your product won't sell as much. And obviously these reviews aren't actually from customers who bought my product, it's just from other stores that are also selling the same product. And if you scroll down here, you can see I have a text that says capture stunning photos, and then I have another text that says relieves anxiety and stress. And one thing I will say is having this little bar here at the bottom where they can actually add the product to their cart is really important. So basically instead of them scrolling back up all the way to the top and click add to cart, they can just do it at the bottom of the page. But yeah, that's basically it. That's my entire store. It didn't take me too long to make, and I like how simple it is. And I always say simple is so much better. You don't want to make it too crowded. And if I was a customer and I saw the store, I would say it looks pretty good. And it even looks better when you're seeing it on your phone, which is where most of my customers are going to see it. Alright, so now that we're done with the store, I do want to mention that I have a Shopify dropshipping course. Basically, the course goes over my exact strategy to make over $30,000 in profits every single month. And the course is updated for 2022, so if you want to check that out, I'll leave a link in the description of the video. But anyways, now that the store is done, the next step is advertising. advertising. And like I said before, I'm going to be using TikTok to advertise. And all I have to do is post videos on my TikTok account, and that is completely free. And usually what I do with all my dropshipping stores is I order the product to my house and then I actually make my own videos with it. But this time, because I only have 1 week, I'm not actually going to order the product to my house. Instead, I'm going to use videos from TikTok and just repost them on my account. So what I'm going to do is search up sunset lamp on TikTok and go through all those videos. And so once I do find a couple good videos, what I'll do is just repost them on my TikTok, and of course I will credit the owner of the video. Now, do I recommend you do this with your own dropshipping business? Honestly, you can try it out, but I do think it's a lot better to actually make your own videos. This way your brand is going to look a lot more legit. So anyways, after scrolling through TikTok for a bit, I found a couple good videos that I saved, and so my plan now is to actually post 3 videos every single day. And I'm hoping that at least 1 video goes viral. And pretty much my entire TikTok account is updated, so I have a profile picture, I put the store link in my bio, and I also did update the bio. So now I just have to wait and see what happens. Honestly, I am kind of nervous because this could go either way. It could either make me a lot of money or it's going to completely flop and I'm going to make no money. But anyways, that's it for now. So what I'm going to do is wait 1 week and then I'm going to update you after and show you how much money the business made and kind of show you what happened to the TikTok account and if I actually got any views. Okay, so I started this challenge on December 28th and today it is January 6th. So it has been a little bit longer than a week, but I am very happy with the results. And the reason I kept the store running for a little bit longer than a week was because the store was doing so well and so I didn't want to miss out on any sales. But anyways, the first thing I want to do is actually show you the TikTok account and show you how the videos performed. And then at the end of the video, I'll go over how much money the business made. Okay, so here's my account. It gained over 200 followers, which is pretty good. And I posted in total 14 videos and some of the videos completely flopped and other ones did really well. And honestly, that's pretty normal for TikTok. Now, I didn't get a crazy amount of views, but I did get a decent amount of views to make a decent amount of money. So kind of what happened is I tried to post at least 3 videos every single day, and what I noticed in the beginning is the videos weren't getting any views, but then one of the videos popped off, which was the 3rd one, and then after that, all my videos started getting more views. And the strategy I used to make sure the videos would actually get a good amount of views was use trending sounds, and I also made sure that I used relevant hashtags. So for example, some hashtags I used was Amazon Finds and TikTok made me buy it. And I'll show you an example of a good video that I posted. So this video got the most amount of views, and I think the reason for that is because it didn't really look like an ad. And in the caption of the video, I put link in bio to purchase, and all I did was use a trending sound and hashtags. And you can actually search up my account later and check it out for yourself because I am going to keep it up. And I know if you're watching this video, you might think it's actually really easy to start a brand on TikTok, and it can be, but sometimes it can actually be very difficult and all your videos will flop. So I guess it really just depends because sometimes I have accounts where all my videos do really well in the beginning and other times none of my videos get any views for like the first month. So I guess the lesson here is you have to be patient and consistent because honestly it takes time with TikTok. But anyways, now let's move on to the exciting part, which is how much money did my business make? So altogether the business made $439.89. And I'll be completely honest, this is actually a little bit more than what I usually make my first week. So I either got really lucky or this product is actually a really good product. But for the first couple of days the business made no money, so I was actually scared that this video was going to be a flop. But then after, on January 1st, my business started making more money since my TikTok videos started getting views. But anyways, the $439 is just revenue, and so I actually want to calculate the profit since there is a lot of expenses. So the first expense is a Shopify domain that costs $16. The next expense is the Shopify and PayPal fees, which was about $13. And because I did have a 14-day free trial with Shopify, I saved $30. And the last expense is the product cost, which was $143. So if you actually subtract all the expenses from the revenue, we end up with a profit of about $267.89. And that is actually a 50% profit margin, which is really good. And I guess what you can learn from my experiment is that dropshipping with TikTok is honestly very effective and everyone should be doing it. For my current dropshipping business right now, which I started about 3 months ago, I've already made over $100,000 and I am using TikTok. And if you did want to learn from me my exact strategy to start multiple successful dropshipping businesses, I do have my Shopify dropshipping course linked in the description of this video. But anyway, that's all for this video. I hope it helped you out and I'll see you in my next video.